We love our dogs. We feed them, walk them, give them belly rubs, and call them good boys and girls. We do the big things, the obvious things. But what about the small things? The quiet, almost invisible acts of care that speak directly to a dog's heart and mind. The truth is, our daily routines are built for us. And in the busyness of our human world, we often miss the subtle opportunities to profoundly improve our dog's day, their health, and our bond with them. These aren't grand gestures. They are simple, intentional practices that say, I see you, I understand you, your well-being is my priority. Welcome to Paw Truth. Today, we're uncovering the gentle gaps in our care, the 9 things you rarely do for your dog but should every day. A quick disclaimer as always, this is educational content to inspire better care. I am not a veterinarian. Always consult with your own vet for advice specific to your dog's health. Let's begin with a silent sense. Number 9, the daily sniffari, letting them lead the walk. We grab the leash, set the pace, and choose the route. It's a march with a purpose, exercise, and potty. But for your dog, a walk is a newspaper, a social media feed, and a novel all rolled into one. Their nose is their primary window to the world. Tomorrow, try this. For just 5 minutes of your walk, drop the agenda. Let the leash go slack. Let your dog choose the path, the pace, and most importantly, it honors their nature and reduces anxiety by letting them gather vital information about their world. It's a gift of pure canine joy. Number 8, the 2-minute full body check. We notice limps or major cuts. But what about the small stuff? Make a daily ritual of running your hands over your dog's entire body. Not just petting, but checking. Feel between their toes for pebbles or cracks. Look inside their ears for redness or waxy buildup. Gently check their gums for color. Part their fur to look for ticks, hot spots, or lumps you haven't felt before. This does 2 things. First, it catches potential health issues incredibly early. Second, and just as important, it desensitizes your dog to being handled. This makes future vet visits, grooming, and nail trims infinitely less stressful for them. It becomes a calm, trusting ritual, not an invasion. Number 7, teaching a do-nothing command. We are great at teaching action commands, sit, stay, come. But we rarely teach the most valuable skill of all, how to be calmly inactive. Practice this daily for short periods. It teaches impulse control and provides them an off switch. It gives them a job when guests arrive, when you're working, or when the house is chaotic. It's not a punishment. It's a safe harbor you've created together. A dog who knows how to settle is a confident, less anxious dog. Number 6, hydration station check and refresh. You fill the water bowl in the morning. But do you check it throughout the day? Is it full of slobber or floating bits of food? Is it in a sunny spot, making the water warm and unappealing? Dogs need fresh, cool water to drink. Wash the bowl daily to prevent biofilm, a slimy layer of bacteria. Consider adding a second bowl in another quiet part of the house. Proper hydration impacts everything from kidney health to energy levels. It's the simplest act of preventative medicine. Number 5, the 3-second thank you after they listen. Your dog sits. You say good and move on. The transaction is complete. But what if you paused? What if, after they obey a command, you held the reward, a treat, praise, or petting, for just 3 seconds of silent, warm eye contact and a soft smile? That tiny pause of connection reinforces that the reward isn't just the treat, it's the joyful interaction with you. It deepens the bond and makes them want to work with you, not just for the prize. It turns obedience into partnership. Number 4, intentional mental enrichment at mealtime. Dumping kibble in a bowl takes 2 seconds, but eating should be an event. Once a day, make them work for it. Use a snuffle mat, a puzzle feeder, a Kong wobbler, or simply scatter their kibble in the grass or on a towel they have to root through. This engages their natural foraging instincts, slows down fast eaters, and provides crucial mental stimulation. Number 3. The scheduled uninterrupted cuddle session. We pet our dogs while watching TV, scrolling on our phones, or working at our desks. The touch is distracted, almost absent-minded. Instead, schedule just 5 minutes a day for only cuddling. Put your phone away. Sit on the floor with them. This undivided attention is a powerful communicator. It says, right now, nothing else is more important than you. This dedicated connection time can lower both your stress hormones and theirs, strengthening your bond on a physiological level. Number 2. Voice their inner monologue. Seriously. This sounds silly, but it works. When your dog is staring at something or seems anxious, narrate what you think they might be feeling in a calm, reassuring voice. You hear the garbage truck, don't you? It's loud, it's okay, it's just the truck, it's leaving now. This does not mean they understand the words, but they understand your calm, steady tone. It validates their experience and shows them you are acknowledging the world from their perspective. And number 1, protect their sleep. We wouldn't wake a sleeping child for a casual photo, but we often disturb our sleeping dogs to move them, to let them out just in case, or to give them an unplanned cuddle. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is critical for a dog's physical health, cognitive function, and emotional regulation. Designate a quiet, cozy, dark sleeping zone for them that is off the main traffic path. Teach children and guests to let the sleeping dog lie. Respecting their sleep cycle is a profound act of care. It tells them that their need for restoration is sacred in your home. The magic is, in doing these small things daily, you won't just have a healthier, happier dog. You will find your own stress melting away in those quiet moments of connection. You will discover a deeper, more nuanced friendship with the wonderful animal sharing your life. Start with just one. Today. If this gave you a new way to love your dog, please give this video a like and share it with another pet parent. Subscribe to Paw Truth for more insights into creating a truly fulfilling life with your canine companion. We'd love to know in the comments, which one of these will you try first with your dog? Thank you for watching and for always striving to be the person your dog believes you are.